Hello everyone, I am Mallikarjun Salgar. Today we are going to study about the one of the geography topic lesson, that is our environment for 7th class. My dear student, you already studied in last year classes about environment. Environment is nothing but what we see our surrounding, that is called environment. So now let us see next slide, that is introduction of environment. Environment, already I told you the what we see our surrounding, that is environment. Here given introduction, our environment includes physical, chemical, other natural forces. In our environment, there are different interaction between animals, plants, soil, water, and other living and non-living things. Let us see the next slide. What is environment? Our environment is where we live, our surroundings. It includes everything on, in, and around the earth. Is called environment. And is there many definition of the environment? You can say our general definition also. So this is the definition of the environment. Let us see the next slide. Some various pictures of that related to environment. See how our environment is very beautiful. So don't pollute our environment. We keep very clean our environment. Let us see the next slide. Kinds of environment. Environment is mainly classified as two types. One is natural environment, second one is human environment. Let us see next slide. Here given the classification of the environment. See how the environment are classified. The environment is mainly classified as two types. One is natural, another human. The natural environment again classified into biotic and abiotic, and human environment again classified into positive and negative. Again the classified it. Let us see the next slide. Now we are going to the topic, that is natural environment. Natural environment can be biotic and abiotic. I already told you the natural environment is again divided into two types. One is biotic and abiotic. Let us see next slide. Biotic. The biotic component includes all living beings such as plants, animals, insects, etc. As well as abiotic components include all non-living things such as land, soil, water, climate, etc. Let us see next slide. Human environment. The human environment refers to anything that has been created by human, such as buildings, mines, bridges, etc. Let us see next slide. We can see here various pictures of the natural environment, elements of our natural environment. See here, these are the examples of pictures, the natural environment. See, these are the pictures of the natural environment. Now let us see the next slide. We can see the various pictures of the human environment, because these are the, see here, the buildings, factories, these are created by human. That's why it is called as a human environment. Here see, these are the pictures of the human environment. Human environment is nothing but that is created by human. It is called human environment. Let us see the next slide. Realms of natural environment. Our natural environment contains some components. These are also called as a realms. Realms is nothing but component. See, the natural environment consists of four realms. The first one is lithosphere, second one atmosphere, third one hydrosphere, fourth one biosphere. Let us see next slide. The lithosphere is outermost solid layer of the earth. The second one, the atmosphere is the layer of air that surround our earth. The third one, the hydrosphere consists of all forms of water on our earth. The fourth one, the zone which consists of all life forms on the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. These are the four definition of the realms of the our natural environment. See, the lithosphere is nothing but the earth outermost area, that is also called as a crust. Atmosphere already you know, atmosphere is surrounded earth